Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your HP laptop. Resetting your device can be a great way to resolve software issues, improve overall performance, or prepare it for a new user. We will cover the two main types of resets, one that keeps your personal files and another that completely wipes the drive. This process typically takes anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours, depending on your system and chosen options. To begin, you will need to access your laptop's recovery options. The easiest way is to open your Windows settings, then click on Update and Security. From there, select Recovery in the left-hand menu. You will see a section titled Reset this PC. Click the Get Started button to initiate the reset wizard. This will present you with the initial choices for your reset. Now, you will be presented with two crucial options. Keep My Files will reinstall Windows while preserving your personal documents, photos, and user accounts. This is ideal if you want to fix performance issues without losing your data. Alternatively, Remove Everything will completely wipe your hard drive, deleting all files, applications, and settings. Choose this option if you are selling or giving away your laptop. After making your selection, you will be asked to confirm your choice. Read the on-screen information carefully, then click Reset to begin. Your HP laptop will then restart and proceed with the reinstallation of Windows. This process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, depending on your system's speed and the amount of data being processed. Ensure your laptop remains plugged into power throughout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.